English language is complex and fascinating. It changes with the era to meet the needs of an ongoing generation. Sadly, English speakers sometimes misuse several words in the English language. Many of those instances occur so frequently that people can become habitual to those mistakes. In this lecture, we will learn commonly confused words. We will go through the difference between affect and effect, which one to use when. We're gonna look at accept and accept, fewer and less, to and to, there and there, it's and its, which drives everyone crazy, then and lastly, your and your. I will walk you through the tips on how to remember these commonly confused words in the daily life and which one to use where. So let's get started. Affect and effect. For this pair, remember that affect is a verb. We can use this word when we are explaining the action of having an impact. Like in this instance, the earthquake affected the building's foundation. On the other hand, effect is a noun, which means the result of. For example, the effect of the earthquake was a destroyed city. Be sure to check which meaning you intend to choose the correct word. Accept and accept is another easily confused pair. Accept means to receive something, whereas accept means to leave something out. For example, I accept your apology. I will do my homework tonight except for science. Fewer and less. Fewer is used with objects that can be counted. Less is used with the things that cannot be counted. For example, less love, fewer cats. So just remember, use fewer for things that can be counted like 1 cat, 2 cats. And less for things you cannot count like love, anger, and emotions. To and to. Sometimes there are sets of 3 words which can be confusing by English speakers. For example, look at the words to, and to. Do you know the proper use of each of these? TWO, 2 is the number between 1 and 3. TO2 means towards or in the direction of. And TOO2 is a synonym for also and very. Let's go through some examples to understand better. I have 2 mobiles. We go to school. I have 2 mobiles too. By using these words, make sure to ask yourself if you want a number, a direction, or the words also or very, which should assist you to decide which terms to use. The second group of 3 words often confused is there, and there. For this case, remember that there means a place. There shows ownership of an object. And there is the contraction of they are. Alright, it's and its. Please remember this one. It's, it with apostrophe, is a contraction of it is or it has. It's always a contraction, never anything else. It's without the apostrophe is the possessive form of it. The way you remember this, look at these sentences. It's raining. See this apostrophe in this sentence because it's a short form of it is. Now the way to remember it's without apostrophe is, this restaurant is known for its focus on regional cooking. The phrase it is does not make sense in this sentence, which needs a possessive form its, then and then. These 2 words look very similar and sound the same. However, then and then are completely different words with different meanings. So if you use the wrong spelling, you might confuse people or fail to get your message across. THAN, then, is a preposition and conjunction. It's mainly used when people compare one person or thing with another. We use then to introduce the second part of the comparison. For example, she's happier now than she was a month ago. They both like tea better than coffee. Sandeep is much taller than his sister. Your and your. Similar to there, your shows an ownership of an object. For example, your motorcycle is very slow. The motorcycle is owned by you, so the possessive your is correct. Also, similar to the contraction there, your is the contraction for you are. Here is an example. You are going to ride your motorcycle to the store. And that's all for this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you soon in our next lesson. Thank you for watching.